After the beautiful reading today and the last few readings of the Sacred Heart by Father John Crusett, of course, I couldn't help but to be moved to, I gotta go receive communion, you know? And so I just figured I would show you the beautiful church. I'll try to go in there if it's open, and I went to confession just to, everybody's on YouTube today, Twitter and all this stuff. I don't even know if it's good, but maybe it is. So this is the beautiful church I go to. All right, now that's my truck right there. That's my work truck. These are the grounds, all right? That's a beautiful bell tower. You'll hear that bell go off if you're in within a mile of it. You'll hear it go off in the early morning for the Angelus, noon for the Angelus, and in the evening for the Angelus. And it's a church in the middle of like country. The highway, the interstate is 2 miles away. And, it's a beautiful place. Just try to show you the inside of it. Let's see if it's open. It is open. Now, of course, I'm going to be discreet. So why do you go to Mass with a suit on? Well, if Trump called you to his office, what would you wear? Why should Christ get any less? Hold on a second. Shh. You got a little glimpse of the chapel. Now, just about 500 yards away, they are currently building a massive complex for the nuns, which they have about 10 or 12, and a bunch of postulants, and a school. And the children who go here will go to this beautiful school. And, they're growing. It's in Brooksville, Florida. The pastor is Bishop Sanborn, who was ordained to the priesthood about 40 years ago by Archbishop Marcel Lefebvre, who came out of retirement after asking permission to begin a traditionalist seminary. So he did, and that's where our priests come from. Because we don't follow this new rite of ordination, the new episcopal rite of consecration. We don't follow it because we simply don't believe in it. We're not better than them. We don't believe in it. And that's that, So anyway, that's what I have to say for today. To go to Mass, to ask for everything through the Sacred Heart, to give everything through the Sacred Heart. So one of the graces I received today was the grace of patience, because I'm only human, and I'm impatient about what I want, because I know what's best, of course, which I don't. But I got the gift to believe that before I leave this world, this is what I realized today, that before I leave this world, God is going to give me exactly what I want. And I was all of a sudden calmed in my mind and in my soul. That, because in the back of my head, when, that question, when, and it brings a certain sadness because you don't have what you want because it hasn't been granted yet. And then a calm came over me that when it could happen whenever, like I'm asking for very specific things, and I'm only human, I'm impatient. And then I realized, if I fulfill what God has told us to do in prayer, it will happen before I leave this earth. So my life will be marked with the answer to my prayers. I just know it. Anyway, that's what I realized today. So I'll do some more on the Sacred Heart later, and I'll talk to you later.